On today's video, I want to teach you how you can make an extra $50 per day by creating posters. And this exact method that I'm teaching you, I did it. So I'm teaching you something that I did. You know, things are not easy. In Zimbabwe, maybe outside, wherever you are, things nowadays are not easy. But you can take this as your side hustle. As your side hustle. That's something that you can do when you are free. So I did it, and I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how I did it using AI. By the way, I'm Simbarasha Murindwa, the Zim AI guy. So follow my channel, Startup Plug Academy, for more videos like this one. I'm going to teach each and every person how you can make money, how you can make an extra dollar using AI. And I want to tell you, let us be real and let us be honest with each other. You know, since things are not easy, you can't wait to get employed or to wait for you to go to university. But what you can do, the tip that I can give you, while you are waiting to go to the university, you can take this as a skill that will pay you an extra dollar. And I want to tell you, this thing, I've done it. So we want to create a poster that you will sell. So I want to teach you how you can do it, how you can create these posters and sell. Don't worry about market, because I'm going to tell you where you can sell these posters. You go to your nearest business owners and you ask them, hi, you mention your name, I create some posters, here is the symbol, show them, then you charge. And you know, things here in Zimbabwe, there's a quit negotiate, so you negotiate. As for me, I was creating 14 posters, and I was receiving my money in every 2 weeks time. So that means I was those posters, I created them in 2 hours time, then save. And each and every day I would just give him one post. That's why I said I make an extra $50. How I made $50 a day. So imagine you have five paying clients paying you $50. So that means you say 5 by 50, that's $250. That's a lot of money. In every 2 weeks, you go and take your money. And I want to tell you, don't be shy about asking these business owners. Go to them, tell them. If you are on WhatsApp, Facebook, DM 5 to 10 business people every day. Hi, I'm I do this. Hi, I do this. Then you get your clients. And also another marketing strategy, you can go into Facebook, WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. Then you post your content, you post your adverts, and you will get paid. So this is what I do. Please subscribe to our channel. Please, it will really help us to grow. You know, remember, a lot of people, they watch and pass, but just to do us a favor by subscribing. So this is what we do. I'm going to share my screen with you. So this is it. So what you do, you come on Chrome, then you go on ChatGPT, then you upload your image as I did on that image. This is the uploading icon. And after uploading your image, the image that you have to use, it's a clear image that is very clean, so that it won't mistaken your face with someone else. And after that, after uploading your image, now we want to create a poster for me advertising my items in my hardware. So this is what I will do now. So the photo should be an attractive photo, so that when you go with it to a business person or a business owner, you will get attracted. So you should be creative. And even if you don't have an idea how you can make the image, you can ask ChatGPT, I want to advertise a picture I want to make an advertisement picture for a hardware, or for someone doing his business, or for a restaurant doing this, that. Give me some ideas how I can make the picture. then it will give you some ideas, then you take one. So for example, I've already uploaded my image. I want to advertise my hardware, the Zim AI hardware, which is in weather. So what I will do right now, I will just give it the instruction. So this is what I do. So I will type using the uploaded image, using the uploaded image, keep the real face and skin unchanged. Now create and advertisement image of me holding some bags of superset cement worth 14 worth $14 worth $14. Now worth $14 in Zim AI guy hardware. Located in weather. Contact number 077373171. So this is what I'll do. Then after I type this prompt, after I write this, I almost write everything. So the next thing that I will do is enter. Now it is making the image. So there's also another way of creating these images using Nano Banana, and the Nano Banana is also the best. I will teach you on another note. For the meantime, for educational purpose, this is what you do. So now we are waiting for image. Then after that, you just have to go to every business owner that you know and ask, hi, do you need some posters? I am there, I create posters. And you show him your samples. Then if he likes, you take or gives you the contract. You can charge per monthly or to pay. I did this on a certain hardware, as I mentioned before. I was creating the pictures and I was charging like $50 per every 2 weeks on that hardware, because I was just creating one image per day, including some captions and everything. So it was something better, because imagine you find 5 to 10 people who will give you those contracts. Imagine 5 by 5, that's $250 that you earn in every 2 weeks from creating the pictures. So you don't have to be shy. Go to the business people and talk to them. Tell them what you really do. Tell them, I am the same AI guy. I am this, I do AI things. So please come buy from us. Or come buy from me. Give me the contract. Whatever you say that will attract those people. Then you go in mind. So the image is here. As you can see, this is my image. This is my image. Eye catching and everything. It's me, the Zim AI hardware. You can see That's great. That's fantastic. So sell these pictures to business people. And I am telling you this, consistent pays, consistent beats talent. Like each and every business, you will face some rejection, some this, but imagine you contacted 10 people and you get one paying client. That's $50 every 2 weeks. And then on another note, you get also one paying client tomorrow. Every day, you should DM something like 5 to 10 business owners, 5 CLAs. That's how it is. That's how you make money. Money is not for those who are lazy. It's for those who are dedicated and those who are willing to change their lives using this AI. They are really changing it. So this is our image, as you can see. So you give ChatGPT your instruction. So please, guys, stay in touch for next videos how you can make money using AI. We are going to drop 2 to 3 videos every week. So on this video, I think I told you how I made $50 in every 2 weeks, just saving one client and creating one poster. It's just I spend my maybe 5 minutes. The poster is already done. Tomorrow, the other one, and you can create your content once, then you just post to the person. So after this, another thing you have to consider is captioning. This picture needs a good captioning so that someone will not scroll past, but will come into your comment section. So now let me talk to ChatGPT. Now create me a poster, create me a caption that sells and bring people to my business and close the sales. So this is what you are seeing. So as you can see, the project is here. Is the superset. The project is waiting. The cement should not delay. Here's our captioning, including conduct. This is the best. AI will not replace you. AI will create more millionaires in the next 5 years, and this is the time. These boring things brings money. I'm telling you. Imagine selling these posters maybe $1 or $2 or $3, and some people they are selling it up to $5 per poster. Imagine, but Isusu, we don't want to charge much. We just want to charge small, but we get a lot of clients. Then we go. Thank you, guys. So please follow up for next video on how you can also make money using GPT or some other tools, some other tools of AI. Thank you, guys. This is Startup Plug Academy, the home of business. I am Simarashi Murindwa, the Zim AI guy. Follow me, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our videos, please. Really do. Thanks.